This is part 2 of my favorite slime. This texture is like a putty texture. And it is super soft. I love the clicking noise. It's also stretchy.